So this video is the before and after hair transplant, and Omid will share her experience with us, and it's only 7 months. It's gonna take a full year for it to fully grow, but thanks Omid for gonna share experience with us. I'm gonna show the audience what he looked like before. I mean, he's a pretty much class 5-6 hair loss pattern, then from the front all the way toward the back. And if I'm gonna show the audience what he looked like on top view, this is what he looks like. And so now, so Omid, we did after 5,000 something,
yes,
correct?
yeah, 5,500.
55 to be
total.
exact.
Yeah.
Yeah. So why don't you share the experience from the beginning, before surgery, why you chose my clinic, and what the surgery look like, the recovery, and then when it has changed for you and how it makes you feel.
Sure. So I had several consultations with several doctors up and down California. Many of them well-known doctors, and after seeing Dr. Diep's work, I decided to have a consultation with him as well. The consultation was very good. You know, I came in, it was punctual, and everything went well. And in speaking to Dr. Diep, I noticed the difference in the emphasis towards excellent results than as opposed to other doctors. Some doctors, they're more inclined to speak about the possibilities after 1 or 2 sessions, but I think, you know, we were really aiming to get as much as we could out of the first session. And I decided to go to Dr. Diep and decided to schedule it after a couple weeks of thinking about it, and it worked out really well, also because it was very close to home, so that didn't hurt, because I live in the area. And ultimately, you know, we scheduled it and came in on the morning of the appointment. It was very early for me, 6:30 a.m. And the procedure itself was very good. You know, you have to lay still for a very long time, and it's a very long procedure because of the number of grafts that we decided to do, but ultimately it worked out really well. I was very tired by the end of it because we had gone through all the way till 11 o'clock at night, but I think that's more of a testament to Dr. Diep because he insisted to get a certain result, so it was fantastic in that sense. As you can see, the 7-month result, after 6 or 7 months, it's been very beneficial. There is some swelling initially after the first month or so, and then you go into this phase where you're wearing a hat sometimes after the first month where you can actually start wearing a hat. But then for me specifically, not necessarily for everybody, but for me, I had a sudden growth spurt around the 3rd or 4th month, and it's been continuing up to now. So I think the results have really spoken for themselves. And at this point, one of the main reasons I came back to see Dr. Diep was to schedule another procedure.
You become a perfectionist like me.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
And, you know, it's explain how it make you feel.
Good point. So as far as, you know, I get compliments all the time about how it's made me look more youthful. Anywhere between 10 to 15 years. Some people can't even recognize me anymore, and I get a big kick out of that because I think it's so funny. But honestly, it gives you a lot more confidence. It gives you a lot more, really, I guess, pride in your own appearance and self-esteem, where, you know, clothes look different, your face looks different, everything looks and feels different because it's because of this one simple thing. And it's not really simple for men. It's pretty complex to start losing their hair and their appearance. So.
Well, you know, when you lose your hair, you lose your look, and,
right.
and then you look a little bit older, right?
Right.
And so once we have the hair transplant, they frame the face.
Yeah.
it bring back not only your look but your youth back.
Exactly.
Yeah. And the great thing is about it is that, you know, Omid, he's already a good looking guy. And so he, because of that, he enhanced my work. And basically when you have the hairline align and frame the face, it bring out his eyes, his nose, and all the feature that God created for him.
Right.
And he knew that we need the hair to bring that out. And,
Right.
and that's where he is right now. And I thank Omid for actually allowing me to show the full face, because I think that's really show a more effect better than just covering the face and just to see the before and after hair.
Yeah.
Because it frames the face and you can see the face different. The other important thing is, you know, is because of his trust, that's why he allowed me to show the face. He even refer his plastic surgeon relative to me, so to
Right.
do that. And we will do another a year follow-up for the audience, so the audience can see more of the effect, what it look like, and those stuff. As a perfectionist, he wanted more density, more volume, and clean up the hairline here and there a little bit, which is, I see why not, why can't we do that? And then after that, you know, he's pretty much good to go for years to come. All right,
Yes.
thank you.
Thanks.